Hey, David here from Brilliant Directories. In this video, I'll be showing you how to completely customize your pricing page on your Brilliant Directories website. Now, if you've watched our other video on how to actually customize and change the settings of your membership levels, you'll remember that I mentioned that this page is completely independent from the settings of your membership levels. So just to show you, we changed some settings in our basic plan. So over here we have that. We changed the name to starter. It's no longer free, but you can see that those changes haven't been made here in this list. That's because, again, this page is completely independent. We did this because we wanted you, the website owner, to have complete control over this page and to choose what features you display right up front to your website visitors and your potential members. So let's go ahead and show you how we can edit these lists. So we'll head on into our admin dashboard and we'll hover over Toolbox and go to Menu Manager. And now we want to edit the pricing page menu. So we'll click the Edit button. And here you can see our basic, featured, and premium columns, just like we have right here. So to expand one of these, we just click the green button to the left of it. And now you can see all of the list items that are displayed on this page. So let's say we want to change this from basic to starter like we have here. All we need to do is click the edit button on the element that we want to edit. And now we can change the text from basic to starter. What we can also do is add some inline CSS. You can do this to further customize your items, to spice up the elements on this page a little bit. But we're going to leave this alone for now. We'll save the changes. If we refresh, you'll see basic will have been changed to starter. So you can do that for any elements. All you need to do is click edit and then you can change the text. But let's say we want to reorder the elements. So let's say we want to move searchable listing down to the bottom. It's incredibly simple. All we need to do is drag the element to whatever location we want to drag it to. So we'll drag it right above the Create Listing button. We'll save the change. And if we refresh, you'll see searchable listing is now at the bottom. Now, what if we want to add an element to this list? Let's go ahead and refresh this page. We'll open up Starter. And now we choose the element where we want to add the new list item. So let's say we want to add it right below only one category. We would click Actions on the only one category element, and we would click on Add Link below. So now you can see we got a new link. We can put in some text. So we'll just say new item. Again, you can put in some CSS if you would like. If you'd like to have this link to another page, you can also input that. You can choose to open it in a new window or not. We're just going to leave this as text for now. So we'll save the changes and we'll refresh. And now you can see we have our new item. Now the reason this looks kind of funny is because there isn't an even number of elements in all three of these lists. The starter plan now has one more element than the featured and premium lists. So you want to make sure that all of your lists on this page have the same number of elements. That way the design will be clean, modern, and really up to snuff. So let's go ahead and remove this element. We'll refresh our admin. We'll open up Starter again. And then to delete an item, we just click Actions and Delete. We'll confirm, we'll save the changes, and if we refresh, you'll see it is now removed. So last thing for this page in our admin is, let's say we want to change the text on this button and where it links to. So right now, this button links to this page right here. To change where it links to, you just get to the sign up page where you want. Let's just use this page for an example. And everything after the question mark in the URL, we can completely remove. So we don't need the question mark and beyond. All we need to copy is this /checkout/ in this case it's a 3, but it may be a different number for you. So we'll just copy that. We'll head back into the admin and we'll edit create listing. And here you can see that URL. So whatever URL that you want to link to, you just paste it in there and you're good to go. Again, you can also choose to open it in a new window if you would like. And to change the button text, so right now it says create listing, it's just as easy as editing all of the other list items. So let's just do create account. Pretty simple. We'll save the changes and we'll refresh the page. And now you can see the button has been updated to create account. So that's how you edit the items in these lists. Now let's go over how to change the colors of the items over here. So we'll head back into the admin. We will go to settings and design settings. And then we can expand additional design settings and default button link colors. Now there's only 2 colors that we can customize. That's the success button background. That is the color of the button. And we can change the color of the title up here. So right now it's blue. That is the pricing title background. So let's go ahead and change these really quick. We'll change this to a green, and we'll change this to a red. We'll save the changes. We'll refresh the page. And you can see the colors have now been updated. Now the last thing that we can customize on this page is the text right up here. To do that, we'll head back into the admin. We will go to content and edit web pages. Then we'll go to the pricing page and we'll click edit. Now here is where you can see that we have the text. So choose a plan today, you're going to love it. It's the same as up here. To customize this text, you can just type in whatever you want. You can remove it if you would like. You can also add text that's not a title. So you can just do normal text right here. So in this case, it will show up below the membership level listings. So let's save the page. Let's refresh. And you'll see the hyphens that we added have now been added to the title, and the text that we added below these membership levels has been added. So you can see those text changes right here. It's a really simple process. Again, editing the items in each list is as simple as dragging and dropping. And to edit the text on the page, all you need to do is go to edit the page in the admin, and you can add your text like you'd be editing it in a Word document. Incredibly simple stuff. So thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.